Ang ginawa nila, lahat illegal. Ang vacancies declared, may authority ba sila? Wala. Officers elected, may authority ba sila? Wala. Committees reorganized, may authority ba sila? Wala. Impeachment rules amended, ito pinakagrabe. May authority sila? Wala. Congress adjourned, may authority sila? Wala. Imagine all of this in 60 minutes. All illegal. Okay? Now, Avellino versus Cuenco. Because in my heart and in my mind, I am 100% sure of what I am saying here. Okay, i-summarize natin. Sa Avellino, what is required in Avellino? Session validly opened with constitutional quorum. Check ba yan sa 1949? Yes, kasi 22 senators were present during that time. Sa June 3, 2026, may session, may valid quorum ba at first? Wala eh. 12 lang siya, 11 nga lang eh, 12. Oh, wala sila, unlike in Avellino, may quorum sila, tapos nawala yung quorum, continuation pa rin yung quorum. Yun ang sa Avellino. Dito, wala. At first pa lang, wala na silang quorum. Okay, pangalawa, minority situation caused by mid-session walkout. Oh, nangyari ba yan sa 1949? Yes. Dito sa June 3 of 2026, nangyari ba? Hindi. Bakit? The majority black never attended. There was never any walkout. They were absent. Okay? Third, the excluded senator was named, ground, documented on the record. Who was that excluded senator named? Senator Confessor was abroad and that was documented. Bakit yan importante? Kasi yan yung theory ni Justice Feria. Di ba? The incumbent member theory. Oh. So, anong dito naman sa June 3? May senator ba sila na ni-name? Wala. Yung dalawa na kunyari hindi daw included, sa post-press conference na lang nila sinabi. Hindi doon sa Senate session. Will that bind the Senate? Of course not. Because that is not an official Senate proceeding. Okay. Third, pang-apat, compulsory attendance processes invoked before proceeding. Ginamit ba nila yung requirement under Article 6, Section 16, Paragraph 2? Yung i-require, yung warrants issued, Sergeant at Arms directed to require them to attend? Wala, hindi nila ginawa noong June 3 of 2026. Fifth, mathematical certainty of same outcome with full quorum. Ito naman yung kay Chief Justice Moran na mere formalism theory. 12 would always vote for Cuenco. Okay? And the result is certain. No? Ang sa June 3, ang absent senators were the majority. Okay? At that time, at that time. And then, business limited to emergency presiding officer selection. In 1949, yes. Kasi kung 12 lang, hindi talaga yan quorum. Maski si Justice Perfecto sinabi yan. Maski si Chief Justice Moran sinabi yan. Okay? And there is only one act. And that is to choose an acting Senate President for purposes of invoking Article 6, Section 16, Paragraph 2.